Alrighty guys, I got bad news for this. This is a '06 Dodge Durango, and this was a free repair. All right, this customer, y'all see this? This is a notification that FCA send people when they have a recall. This is an old recall too. Airbag modules. Here's the thing, what this customer is going to be pissed about. Okay, yes, you got 2 new airbag modules put on. These are the old modules. You get one on the driver's side, inflator. They're not really technically modules, I don't guess. Inflators, I put one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. Y'all know the deal. There's some problems with them. But, however, the reason why this customer is going to be fixed at this free repair is simply because, look, see that? Yes, her airbag light is still on. So the reason for her airbag light is on wasn't because of this. So could you imagine you got an airbag problem, you get a letter in the mail saying you got a free recall. Yes, I'm gonna get it fixed for free. No, you're not, because this is not your problem. Had your problem been something related to these inflators, then yes, but you got sequia circuit open on driver's side, chances are you're gonna need a clock spring, and guess what, that's not covered under recall, so you're gonna have to pay to get that fixed. But I gotta go deliver the bad news. Like I say, it was worth a shot. All right, I had to scan it. You're really supposed to get it diagnosed, but I scanned it anyway and find out that, yeah, these wasn't a problem. I'm sorry, Miss Customer, we'll try again next time.